We are in Portimao racetrack. When BMW M meets X, then watch out. What is really amazing on this car is that when you step on the accelerator, first thing is that it takes your breath away. When you turn the steering wheel, you can feel the benefit of the BMW X Drive, the most intelligent system 4x4 in the world. I drive the car in the racetrack fast, I mean really fast, and the car is so agile, so precise and so fast you won't believe it. The all-new BMW X6M on the normal streets is a really comfortable car because we can adjust the suspension, we can adjust the response of the throttle and even the response of the steering wheel. So you can choose a really comfortable car.